What if I told you the real millionaires aren't living in mansions, driving sports cars, or showing off on Instagram? In fact, they might be your neighbor, the one mowing their own lawn. In the Millionaire Next Door, authors Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko revealed the hidden habits of America's quiet rich. And today, I'm handing you their playbook for free. We've all been sold the same lie. Wealth is about looking rich. Designer clothes, luxury vacations, expensive cars. Society glorifies high-income lifestyles. But here's the brutal truth. Most rich-looking people are drowning in debt. Stanley and Danko's research shows that the real millionaires aren't high spenders. They're high savers and investors. The trap? Thinking that income equals wealth, when the two are completely different games. Picture this. You earn $250,000 a year, but between the mortgage, car payments, private schools, and dinners out, you have almost nothing saved. One job loss or market crash and you're on the edge. That's the pain of high consumption living. It feels glamorous, but it's fragile. Meanwhile, the millionaires in Stanley and Danko's study quietly grow their net worth by living well below their means, avoiding lifestyle creep, and prioritizing financial freedom over social approval. Here's where it gets interesting. Stanley and Danko found that the majority of millionaires are self-made, first-generation wealthy. They live in houses worth less than twice their annual income, drive used cars, and invest heavily in appreciating assets. They don't chase status, they chase freedom. The data is clear. Wealth is built not by earning more, but by keeping more and letting your money compound quietly over decades. Live below your means. If you can't save at least 15 to 20% of your income, you're spending too much. Cut the excess, grow the gap. Buy assets, not liabilities. Stocks, real estate, and businesses add to your net worth. Luxury cars and gadgets don't. Avoid economic outpatient care. Don't drain your future wealth by constantly bailing out adult kids or extended family. Measure by net worth, not paycheck. Your income is temporary. Your net worth is permanent. Stay invisible. Wealth grows faster when you're not pressured to keep up with anyone. The less you flaunt, the more you keep. Here's the truth. The millionaires Stanley and Danko studied didn't get rich overnight. They did it by making boring, disciplined choices every single day. They didn't care about impressing neighbors or strangers on social media. They cared about building a safety net so big they could live life on their terms. That's the game. Quietly, consistently, and invisibly winning with money. If this video changed how you see wealth, drop a comment with one lifestyle change you're willing to make today. Smash that subscribe button to join our community of stealth wealth builders. And remember, the quiet path might just be the fastest route to freedom.